Pick you one out.
So we got a pair of ringnecks out there. You see the geese up there on the hill. Alright, you can see there's about 24 geese sitting up there on the hill eating fescue, a pair of ringnecks, and there was a pair of mallards at the far end back there. So not a lot of birds, but enough to get a little bit excited about and take what you can get this time of year. So hang with us. We're going to bang them up in the morning. On that little pond. Damn it. They're coming back. Come on.
That's the one with the hole in it or not?
Yeah, that one's got the hole.
That's a little
Are you messing with me?
No. Oh, look at him moving. He ain't joking.
Here come a pair of geese.
Oh, they're coming around. They're just a little too far around. I'm gonna head shoot. Watch this. There's still a good shot. That's a kill shot too.
Pick you one out.
Doubled. Tripled. Did y'all get one?
Yeah, I got one. There's two down. I got one for sure.
Man, what a hunt. It worked out just like we hoped. Multiple flocks came in, multiple flocks were decoying, and we did pretty good shooting. Actually went 3 for 3 on one group. So it was a fun hunt. So we'll take a look at the birds here in a minute, but I hope y'all enjoyed that. We sure did. All right, let's take a look at the birds here. Ended up killing a pair of mallards. We actually had a couple more groups come through, but they went just beyond the decoys and landed in a little small pond behind us. So we decided not to pass shoot at them. We'd rather have them decoy a little bit closer to us. But we did end up with a pair. And we saw a lot more geese today than we were expecting based on the birds that were in here when we scouted. There was few less than 2 dozen when we scouted, and ended up seeing at least 2.5, maybe 3 dozen total birds came through. And we ended up decoying one big flock and a pair. Ended up killing 7, lost 1 more crippled. But the pair that came in, I shot the one on the right, boys shot the one on the left, and sure enough, bird on the right ended up being a banded goose. So that was quite the surprise. We were not expecting that. And you can see one of my pellets actually hit the band, almost knocking it off. I was able to take that band off, no problem at all. Didn't need a coin or anything to get it off there. So great hunt. We were not expecting quite this many birds around. Didn't know if we'd get a shot at the mallards or not, and certainly we're not expecting to kill a band, especially this close to home on a little local farm hunt. So we'll take it. Very exciting. Hope you guys enjoyed.